Now let's explain how to make UV label film bumps. Tutorial on 3D texture effect and other effects. First, let me explain the principle. I'm going to divide it into 4 layers. The first layer is white. Places with patterns need to be covered with a layer of white, except for hollowed out parts. You can see here, the hollowed out parts don't need white ink. The textured part of the pattern does not require white ink either. The second layer of this is the 3D effect. In fact, the 3D effect is formed by the accumulation of Hanrun paper UV label white ink. The third layer is to print color ink. After printing the superimposed white ink, we need to print color ink to restore the colors of the label film pattern. The fourth layer is the varnish. The varnish layer also adds a 3D effect to the pattern. Now let's pick a pattern for demonstration. First, we need to create a new canvas. The canvas needs to match the label film pattern size, so I create in a 4 size this time. I will start by selecting a pattern to create a sample. Adjust the size. This is adjusted according to your own needs. I'll enlarge it a bit to create the sample. The third step is to choose which part to achieve the 3D bump effect. Since we're using gold UV label film today, we need to create the hollow out effect first. We chose the white area here to create the hollow out effect. The first step is to rasterize the layer, then proceed to remove the white background. Click with the magic eraser. Now we can reveal the base color of the gold film. The second step is to choose the raised position. In this image, I selected the red, blue, and text elements. These parts need to be isolated first. I chose the method of color recognition. Select a color range. Select the red part. The red part of the constituency in this place comes out. Okay, I copy a layer. This layer is just a single red area. Go back to the original layer. Now for the second one, we're going to choose this blue area. Still choosing the color range. Click the blue area here. You can adjust the color tolerance here. We are keeping the tolerance at 0 because the blue color here is very pure. Now we need to select the text here. We can directly frame and choose box selection with selection tool. Ctrl J and it came out directly. Now we've already extracted all the parts that need to have a 3D effect. So we're going to merge a layer. This is the original image layer. These are the parts we just cut out, now combined to form the 3D section. Now we'll start renaming the layers. We change the original layer to the first white color layer. The 3D effect layer we just created for white ink buildup. The color ink layer is the original design, so we copy it. The varnish layer is a copy of the 3D raised layer we created.
Okay, we open the Photoshop first. First time, you need to prepare 3 layers: picture, color, finish, and white. They are all individual layers. Then we choose the white layers to create a small channel called W1. You can choose any color for it. And then choose the vanish. Create another one small channel called W2. And only choose the colors, then save the picture. We can choose PSDT or TFFF. And choose small channel layers and save it. We create this picture for print. So we need to open the Rift software. We click File, click OK, and load the picture we created just now, and click Print, click Properties, and click White Ink Setting. The channel number we choose 2, and the channel 1 white models per channel. Next, all cover, and save it, and click Offset Paper, and click OK. Finally, we click Print to File to save the file we will print later. Okay, now we open the printed EXP and put the film on the flat table. First, we test the height. Okay, now test height complete. Now we open the PM profile we ripped just now. And the first time we only print white and set double white for the first time printed. Okay, now we print the second time. Choose only white. Now we print the third time. The channel choose normal and only print the color white and varnish all one. Okay, now next we need to create a trace profile for the Kojo to find the trace for cut machine. Normally I merge invisible all the layers and use the magic tool. Choose the transparent addition. Then click select inverse. Choose all the picture coding. Then click Ctrl plus Delete. You can choose your color picker. It will show your color picker. Then you can choose Save it. Choose PSD. We will use this profile to find the trace in Kojo. Okay, now we click File and click New, and we can set the dimensions, width and height. You need to remember your picture size so you can set the dimension for width and height. Now we need to import the picture you created just now. And click Trace Feedback. Click Quick Trace. We just move left the picture.
Save as PLT format and send it to your cutting machine.